it's She. I'm back today with another video. So today's video, you guys are gonna scream. I got the cutest stuff today from Burlington, and then I also went to Ikea. So I'm currently working on my bedroom. I hate that I'm even sitting here right now because I'm giving you guys like a sneak peek of like what's going on in here, but this is all you're going to see for now. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you today I'm going to be doing a haul before I get ready to decorate the bathroom. Didn't even plan on decorating the bathroom, but I went into Burlington. I found all of this cute stuff and it was like I just couldn't say no. Okay, so I think total today I spent about $160. I do have a few more things that I need to get. So I think that this bathroom makeover will end up costing about $180 to $200, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into the haul. So the first thing I got was this cute furry rug. It's really, really cute. You can use it as an accent rug or a bath mat, it says. But it's really, really pretty. And it's just like a soft pink fur. So I want the bathroom to be kind of glamorous. So I had to get this. This was $14.99. It's the perfect size for my bathroom because my bathroom is really like the size of like a guest room. So yeah. Moving right along, the next thing that I got was actually $10. And it's just a little canvas that says, "May your day be as flawless as your makeup." I thought this was cute. My house is pretty small, so I'm always doing my makeup in the bathroom. And I just thought this was just a cute little reminder to like have a great day. The other reason why I got it is because it's like a light gray, and then it also has like a little bit of gold accents. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I love to mix metals. So yeah, I thought this would be a cute little way to do that. And it was $9.99 at Burlington. The next item I got was this cute little Eiffel Tower soap dish, soap pump. It has like, I'm gonna turn this lamp down some. Then hopefully things will show up better on camera. So I got this cute little Eiffel Tower like soap pump, and I just thought it was adorable. It goes with kind of like the fashion Parisian theme of the bathroom that I have going on with the rest of the stuff that you're gonna see. So this is only $6.99 at Burlington. I'm not gonna struggle to try to get that to focus, but look how cute. Wait, ooh, ooh. Can y'all see the little flower design on it? It has like little rosettes. It's just adorable. And some of you probably are going to ask about my nails. These are actually press-ons by Kiss. So I'll put the link to them in the description. But they are fabulous. I'm loving this green, okay? Okay, so I've been wanting a shower curtain for a while now. And it's been really, really hard to find something that I thought was cute. So when I saw this shower curtain, I had to have it, okay? Had to have it. And boom, it's this one. Burlington had a lot of BB stuff, so I think maybe when BB went out of business, they gave everything to Burlington, or Burlington bought it all. But it comes with the shower rings, which I thought were adorable. I might just use my own. But the shower curtain says "classy and fabulous." And it's like little vintage perfume bottles, and then it has like a little gray pattern to it. So I thought that would be so cute, and like even look, you know, so cute. And it goes really, really good with like the furry rug and everything else that you guys are gonna see. So I got this for $11.99. It came with the 12 shower curtain hooks, and then the beautiful gray with pink flowers and perfume bottle shower curtain. And it's just me and my daughter here, so I'm like, why not have a room where it's just like girly, you know? Like we can have some girly stuff. Gosh, I feel like I got more at Burlington, but I'm almost actually done. So I got these from Burlington. I actually already have these up in my bathroom right now in silver, but because I have like gold accent stuff, yeah, because I have gold accent stuff, I thought these would be cute. I don't even know where in the heck I'm gonna put them, but I wanted a little bit of gold and I wanted some bling. So I just had to get these in gold too. And they were only $14.99. So it's like, girl, why not? Okay, why not? So I really want to show you the other two items I got from Burlington, but I'm going to save those for last. I'm going to skip over to the stuff we got from Ikea. I saw this on Ikea when I first walked in, and what it is, basically, it's like a towel bar thingy majang, like a hook, and it has 3 like prongs that kind of move. So basically it's a hook where you can hang things, and I'm gonna put this behind the bathroom door. There's like a little wall, and I thought it would be cute just to put like some towels there, or maybe you can hang your towel there when you get out of the shower, or your clothes or whatever. And it has the 3 hooks that kind of move and adjust, so I thought it would just be nice and just a good way to have some hanging space in the bathroom. And plus it's gold, so that's the real reason why I got it. And it was only $12.99. And last but not least, from Ikea, I got these shelves. And that's the whole reason why I went to Ikea. I wanted to put some shelves over top of my toilet so that I would have somewhere to put like cute little like sayings and like folded towel washcloths, and you know, maybe a little flower arrangement. I just wanted to have somewhere to put extra decorative things. So these were only 75 cents. They're actually like wall brackets, which I was like, wow, that is super cheap. And what I'm going to be doing is spray painting them gold. So my friend is supposed to be coming over tonight to start hanging stuff, and I really want to get these shelves hung up so that he can do it and not me. So I'm going to try my best to take them in this shed and go ahead and spray paint them gold. And then the shelves, guys, were only $2.99. So this little wood piece was $2.99. Okay, so this is a cheap as fuck, like, shelf, right? Like, it's very basic, but cheap. It gets the job done, and I'm really, really excited about them. So you can kind of see the vision. Okay. Super excited. It's going to be so cute once I spray paint these gold. So that's what we got from Ikea. And somehow I spent $30 in here. I bought my daughter some markers. Oh, and that hook. Okay. I'm like, what did I spend $30 on in Ikea? Comment down below if you've ever like eaten at Ikea and like what's your favorite thing to eat there. Okay, so moving back into the stuff from Burlington, I got this. Oh, it's heavy. This table. Okay, can you see it? I might have to get up. See, I got this little table, and y'all know my bath. Well, y'all probably don't know because I've never shown my bathroom, I don't think, besides that little DIY towel video. Check that out if you haven't already. But I got this little table, and it has like a beautiful like marble top, and it's like super heavy. But I thought this would be freaking fabulous because a lot of times when I'm in the shower, I like to have like a glass of wine, you know, a book. Sometimes I even have like, I need to put my phone down somewhere, and like the ledge on the side of the tub isn't very big. So I just thought this would be like a cute little something to have in the bathroom for all of the purposes that I just named. And it was supposed to be $50, but I got it on sale for $34.99. So it was kind of like I couldn't say no, because even if I was like, even if it's too big for the bathroom, I can resell this jank on OfferUp or something for $100. It's a really, really cute, even $150. Somebody out there would spend that on this table. It's like really, really nice quality, and I love the marble on it. It looks super expensive. Okay guys, so last but not least, I was saving this for the very end because it's my favorite thing that I bought all day, and it's kind of the reason why I went crazy and like decided to redo my bathroom. So I'm going to show it to you now. Woo, it's heavy. Now this picture is a BB picture, okay? And y'all want to see it, don't you? Some of y'all are like, girl, just turn it around already. The suspense is killing you, isn't it? Okay, let me stop trolling. Ta-da-da-da-da. Oh, and I'm so mad because the camera is probably not even doing it justice right now, but it's fabulous. It's so freaking cute and so sparkly, and I was like, it's the perfect girly touch that our bathroom has been missing. So this was $30. I thought it was really beautiful. It says Fashionista's Dream on one of the books, Living Through Fashion and Travel. This says Love and Travel, and then this says Runway Shows from Paris. So I was like, I have to have this. It's so extra and over the top and just like exactly the direction I wanted to go for in my ugly little bathroom. So I'm so excited about everything that I got today. I really can't wait to go ahead and decorate. I know you guys are going to really love the final look when I'm done with it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which item was your favorite, or which items were your favorite. Oh, this wig is itchy. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thank you for all of you guys who have subscribed. Thank you for interacting with me on Instagram. If you want to follow me, it's at Miss Fashion Relate. And I will see you guys in the next video.